Hi guys and welcome back. Inside of this video we are going to talk about something called prompt priming. What is it and how can we do it in ChatGPT to get the best answers? Let's dive right into it. So prompt priming, what is it? Well, it's a way for us to guide ChatGPT with clear tasks and context for better answers. Basically, as much information as we can give from the background from our company, from whatever goal we're having with all of these prompts, whatever information that we can give ChatGPT, it will give out a better answer for us, a more specific one. So poor prompt priming, which means basically don't give any information, any background, any context, anything of that sort, that will just lead to generic and irrelevant answers, which makes sense, right? So good prompt priming gives tailored and specific answers that align with your goals. Let me show you how to do just that in ChatGPT. So first of all, let's have a look at an example without prompt priming, how inefficient this could be. So first of all, we're having a text here and I've already written, can you give me some marketing strategies for my shoe brand on Instagram? Then you might say, hey, there are some context in here. I am telling you that I want some marketing strategies for my shoe brand and have it on Instagram. Let's see how generic this answer will be. So here's the answer that we got. It's pretty lengthy, but absolutely here are some marketing strategies that you can use to promote your shoe brand on Instagram. High quality content, yeah, of course, user generated, Instagram stories and reels, Instagram shopping, influencers and partnerships, hashtag, strategy, etc., etc. Let's have a look at what answer we are getting with this type of prompt. I'm a shoe brand looking to market on Instagram. Same kind of prompt there, but now we're giving ChatGPT some context, some additional information. To women in Spain between the ages of 25 to 60. What are some effective marketing strategies and best practices for this audience? We are looking for the best practices for this audience in marketing. Let's have a look at what answer we are getting from ChatGPT. So by just comparing this pretty general answer that we got earlier without any context, if I go down here, this is amazing. So the first that we are getting is localize your content. Tailor your content to the Spanish market by incorporating local language, culture, and trends. Age appropriate content. Since your target audience ranges between 25 to 60, make sure to create content that appeals to various age groups within this range. Partner with local influencers. You just see the amazing power of bringing context to ChatGPT about your business, about your brand, maybe your background within job searching, applications, etc. Whatever your goal is, bring context by prompt priming. Here's another example on how powerful prompt priming really is. Now, I'm a recent graduate seeking a job in the tech industry. So already giving some context there. Could you provide some tips and advice on how to create a compelling resume? That's the goal. That's what you would like it to do. And cover letter that will stand out to potential employers. Let's have a look at the answer that we're getting from ChatGPT. So this is so good. Absolutely. Here are some tips for creating a compelling resume and cover letter for the tech industry. And you can see here's the resume. And then here is the cover letter. So first of all, customize your role, tailor your resume to each job application, etc., etc. But really stuck out from me by giving some context that you just graduated. You can see here. If you're recent graduate, you might not have much work experience. This is how powerful it is to give ChatGPT context by prompt priming. You can supplement this by including relevant projects or coursework. Describe what you did, the technologies you used, and what the outcomes were. So ChatGPT basically knows that you are not maybe a favorite for a job position, but by just pointing out the technology that you're using and all different types of things that you can come up with that can make you a favor for this job position, they can help you by doing this. And you can go down even more into depth with this by making them describe a few other things that you can take to your advantage when it comes to job applications, cover letters, resume, etc. So by prompt priming, you will receive way better answers from ChatGPT. Okay, with that said, I'll see you in the next lecture.